If you have plugged in your OBD2 scanner and found the code P00A8, you are dealing with a circuit issue that thinks your engine is breathing frozen air. This code translates to intake air temperature sensor 2, circuit high, bank 2. In the world of automotive electronics, a high circuit code usually means a computer, or PCM, is seeing the maximum voltage of 5 volts returning from the sensor. Because the intake air temperature sensor is a thermistor, its resistance drops as it gets hotter. Therefore, a high voltage signal means high resistance, which the computer translates as extremely cold temperature, often reading -38 or -40 degrees Fahrenheit on your scan tool. Essentially, the computer thinks the circuit is open or disconnected. This is happening on bank 2, which is a cylinder bank opposite of cylinder number 1. You generally will not notice severe drivability problems like stalling, but your fuel economy might suffer, and you will definitely have that annoying malfunction indicator lamp staring at you. The causes for this are pretty straightforward. It is most often an unplugged sensor, a broken wire inside the harness, a bad connection at the connector due to corrosion, or an internally failed sensor that has gone open circuit. To fix this, you need to verify the circuit integrity. First, check the basics. Is the sensor plugged in? Are the wires intact? If that looks good, use a scan tool to view the data stream. If it reads -40 degrees, unplug the sensor and use a jumper wire to connect the 2 pins on the harness connector together. This simulates zero resistance. If your scan tool reading suddenly jumps to a very high temperature, like 280 degrees Fahrenheit or more, then you know your wiring and computer are perfect and the sensor itself is dead. Replace the sensor, clear the codes, and you are good to go. However, if you use the jumper wire and the reading does not change from -40, then you have a break in the wiring harness. You will need to use a digital volt ohm meter to check for the 5-volt reference at the connector and check for continuity back to the PCM. If you are getting 0 volts at the connector, the wire is broken somewhere between the engine computer and the sensor. If you are not comfortable hunting for broken wires in a loom, it is best to hand this off to a qualified technician.